congratulations that you have received your certification and you are a certified career counselor now.
Thank you. Thank you so much, dear. This is Garima Srivastav. I have basically from Bhopal, but currently I'm living in Indore and I am a certified career counselor. Instead of certified career counselor, I have my own brand which is known as Bhasha by Garima. It's an online language studio where we teach Hindi globally, English, Spanish, and soft skills and design development. Now, as I become a career counseling, I started doing counseling of kids and the parent as well. So this is about my brand is about 2 years old. It's a new startup, and we have clients from all over the world. My main clients are from UAE and neighbor countries. So this is all about my journey and my things. So as I told you that I am into Bhasha by Garima, it is my brand name, and actually it's an online language studio where we teach a lot of languages. So when I'm teaching these languages like Hindi, Spanish, and English, I get to know a lot of clients, a lot of kids who are willing to know about their careers, what they wanted to do, because they are into 8th standard, 9th standard, and some professionals will also be there. And what they are doing it all are the daily things, like they have completed their 12th, they are just going into the math, science, but they don't know what they have to do it because they don't know that career options. They don't know that what are the skills they can take and they can utilize them in their future and all. So this enhanced me, or this makes me like, yeah, I should be the guidance or be the advisor for them, and I should take this opportunity and should do something like that so that I can make them like what is good for them, what kind of career they can choose. And apart from the daily things like IITs, engineer, doctors, and something like that, what else they can do it, because now if you can see the education, it's like bloom, it is like blossoming like anything. So we do have a lot of careers that they can see, instead of having engineering and doctor, they can see a lot of things. Instead of CA and something else, they can go with a lot of other things also. So this makes me to go into this counseling session. Yes, actually, I was just sitting, and since I am into in languages, so my whole business is into social media only. So I was just scrolling social media, that is Instagram, and suddenly I came to know about Infigon Futures. So there, some counselors were, talking about. They were giving some tips without any charging and all. So I was pretty much, attracted with this tips, which because I have taken that tips and I started, working on that tip, because career is not about one. It's a complex process. So how we can be the changer, how we become be the changing of somebody else. So this Infigon tips thought of the day or tip of the day has changed my journey, like actually make me to come into this career counseling things and be the certified career counselor. So this is how I started interacting, and I started studying this career counseling thing. The very first thing is all about the experience. I need the experienced one. I need somebody who can teach me from the basis, and teach me the root cause. And if I stuck somewhere or somewhere, so what kind of hands I can get it, who can take me from that phase to upskill me. So the experience one is very, very important. Secondly, the task, what kind of task I can learn or I can give away when I was doing this counseling. So experience, task, and real based scenario is very important for me, because if I become a career counselor, so if I can go through with this demos or mock things, then how can I see how can I be the part of this thing, how I can be the changer and all. So these three is very, very important. I was looking, and I'm very happy that I got all these things in Infigon. As I told you, I was sitting and I was just going through in the social media, which is Instagram. So I have seen Infigon, and Infigon was telling their career counselor, I think, I don't remember the name, but I think Omkar Patil sir was there.
Yes.
He was telling about the tip of the day, thought of the day, without charging anything or without, expecting anything from the audience. So it was very insightful, very helpful. The real life scenario is very, very changing path for each and every counselor. And secondly is all about their helping hands. They never ever drop you out. They will always be there with you. And last but not the least is about the marketing, because without marketing, nobody knows that are you a trainer, are you a counselor or not. So these three plays very, very important, and they are doing, Infigon is doing tremendously good in this thing. And I'm very privileged and happy that I'm the part of Infigon careers, and now I am a certified counselor. They have experienced counselor, and the counselor are whatever they are conveying and whatever they are teaching to us, it's very clear and very simple. They were very flexible. They were working on your timings. The flexibility was there always. Secondly, they are always available after the session for doubt session. They are individually thinking, they are individually calling, and if you have a doubt in between the session also, you can pause them. They can also give you time in between the session and they can clear your doubt. The best thing is about they all are experienced ones, so they can teach you all the experience which they have seen or they have done it in their careers. They used to tell about all these things. And the mock interviews, the mock things they generally conduct after every session is very, very important. And last but not the least one is the theory. Theory which we get it from Infigons and the counselor. It is very, very helpful. Very helpful. The language which we get it in that documentations is very simple to read. And the counselor are using both language, Hindi and English. And if somebody is all from other state who are into other languages, they can teach in that also. So this is something very, very useful. So see, my experience is really very good. Must to say, it's not very good. It's wonderful and fantastically awesome. And why it is fantastically awesome is all about the credit goes to there is a person, there is an assistant, Mr. Nigel. He is there in Infigon. He supports a lot because I am into languages, so my schedule is really very tight. But when it comes for website or business development toolkit and all, that has been provided by Infigon to me once I become certified career counselor. And daily call, the Infigon team, they are so vigilant, they are so pro in their work that they are not going to leave you in anyhow. They will call you again and again. If you're busy also, they will take your time, they will ask your timing, and they will call you, they will update you that like they used to say that, ma'am, have you done this thing or not? Is there any problem you are getting it or not? Or technical support is very, very important. I am still in touch with my trainer who trained me and makes me career counselor. She's always available 24/7, and if you call her and she's not available, she will ping you and she will again call you back. So these kind of assistants will be there. And the most important part which I have mentioned is Mr. Nigel from Infigon. That person is wonderful because without him, I think my website won't be completed. My business tool, I won't be get it. And how should I convey myself? What are my doubts will be there. This all credit and the things which he has done to me goes to Nigel, the one person. Lastly, my own trainer, Miss Lakshmi ma'am. She is awesome, all time present. Karan sir, who inspired for real life scenarios. So all these are my heartfelt gratitude for all those things. I have called them when I, like their tip of the day and thought of the day. Their marketing team was there. They have told me about, first they asked me why I need to go into this thing. So once I explained them, they have welcomed me. They told me the process. They didn't tell you the fees first. They will just ask your interest, because your interest and your confidence level should be, very important to enter into Infigon. Once you are clear, like yes, you want to become, then only they will introduce you about the things and all, like how you can process. So enrollment is very, very simple. You just have to tell them and they will give you the form that you have to fill it, and then some marketing people will call you up and tell you that this is the process, ma'am, this is the scheduling, are you be comfortable with this scheduling or not, is this the flexible timing is fine for you, because classes are available weekend also or weekdays also. It's depend on you. So this is how it works. Your website is created in such a way that in every page you can connect to the client, or client can be connected to you if they like your website. So website is all about like how you have learned and what you want to give away to your client. It is very easy to connect with you. So each and every page you can see the things there. You can easily client can be connected. And the best thing is about the career option, career library, which I don't think so any other institute they are providing, because career option and career library gives you a lot of options in careers, and you're not giving only one or two career to a client. You can give numbers of career, and if you have numbers of options, so definitely your career will be different level, and you can see that where you are. See, अगर मैं एज की बात करूं तो I definitely want to start counseling from grade 8 student. Why grade student? Because that particular age is somehow एक बच्चा अपने करियर के बारे में सोचना एक्चुअली शुरू कर देता है। उसे समझ में आने लग जाता है कि उसे कहाँ और कैसे जाना है। लेकिन कहाँ तक का सफ़र और कैसे तक का सफ़र एक काउंसलर ही बता सकता है। और सबसे ज़्यादा मैं इम्पैक्ट यहाँ करना चाहूँगी पेरेंट्स को, अभिभावकों को, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स के लिए आजकल सभी के लिए मनी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है और सभी फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहते हैं। और आप जानते हैं कि आजकल का एजुकेशन जो है, वो इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो गया है, क्योंकि आप जब 11th-12th में होते हैं या 10th में होते हैं, आप अभी से अपने बच्चे को उस फील्ड में डाल देते हैं जहाँ पे उनका इंटरेस्ट दिखता है, और वो बच्चा उस इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके पहले मतलब स्कूल की स्टडीज़ भी कर रहा है, साथ-साथ वो एक इंस्टीट्यूट में इंस्टीट्यूट की पढ़ाई भी कर फर्दर एग्जाम्स। लेकिन अगर वो एग्जाम सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिसहार्टन हो जाता है, बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हो जाता है। तो उसके बाद के ऑप्शन क्या है, ये आपको एक काउंसलर बता सकता है, और काउंसलर आपको एक्चुअली में हेल्प कर सकता है कि आप अपने मनी को किस डायरेक्शन में लगाएं, अपने किस बच्चे की किस ग्रोथ और किस करियर के डायरेक्शन में लगाएं, जहाँ पे आप समहाउ उस मनी को सेव भी कर सकते हैं फॉर योर फ्यूचर थिंग्स, और आप उसको एक सही दिशा देकर उसके लिए हज़ारों ऑप्शन छोड़ सकते हैं। तो ये मैं चाहती हूँ, ये एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट रहेगा सारे पेरेंट्स के लिए और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, क्योंकि आजकल स्टूडेंट्स डिजिटल स्टूडेंट्स हो चुके हैं। अगर आपका स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी इन सब चीज़ों से काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़ैमिलियर है, तो उसे करियर गाइडेंस हमेशा मिलना चाहिए, और वो करियर गाइडेंस मैं चाहूँगी कि आप किसी काउंसलर और सर्टिफाइड करियर काउंसलर से ही लीजिए, जो आपके है ना मनी को भी सेव कर सके, जो आपके टाइम को भी सेव कर सके, और आपके बच्चे को एक ऐसी दिशा दिखा सके कि आपके बच्चे के पास आने वाले टाइम पे 1 नहीं, 2 नहीं, जबकि नंबर्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस हो उसको पाने के लिए। Parents are so confused, like what to take, if the kid is good at math, and if they are good at humanity or biology or some other subjects, so what are the other options? Because the career options are really limited, the career options are very very limited. तो लोगों को जनरली अट्रैक्ट करता है प्रोफेशंस लाइक डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर एज एन इनटू IITians, और मैनेजमेंट लाइक MBA और IIMs, पीपल लाइक दैट। बट हाउ अबाउट द अदर्स थिंग, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये नहीं हो तो अदर क्या होगा, क्योंकि उन्हें ऐसा लगता था कि हम हमारे बच्चे को अगर एक सब्जेक्ट में काफ़ी, हमारा बच्चा अगर एक सब्जेक्ट में काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो उसके लिए करियर ऑप्शंस क्या क्या होने चाहिए। तो ये एक सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा एडवांटेज होता है इन्फीकॉन के करियर काउंसलर्स के साथ रहने में, क्योंकि हम आपको एक लाइब्रेरी प्रोवाइड करते हैं जहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि आपके बच्चे के लिए एक करियर नहीं है, आपके बच्चों के लिए मोर देन 10 करियर्स आप देख सकते हैं, और वो उसमें बहुत अच्छा कर सकता है। इसके साथ ही साथ बहुत से ऐसे पेरेंट होते हैं, इवन बच्चा भी होता है, जिसे पता नहीं रहता है कि वो उसकी लर्निंग कैपेसिटी और एबिलिटी कैसी है, कैसा है वो, किस टाइप का लर्नर है वो। क्योंकि अगर ये वो बच्चा जान जाए या पेरेंट जान जाए, तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत हद तक अपनी कन्फ्यूजन को क्लैरिटी में बदल सकते हैं। एंड इन्फीकॉन ने बहुत अच्छी बात बताई है, उन्होंने हमेशा ये बताया कि आप क्लाइंट को हमेशा क्लाइंट मत समझिए, आप हमेशा उनके साथ एक कनेक्ट करिए, आप उनके साथ जेल होने की कोशिश करिए। द मोर यू जेल विद योर क्लाइंट, द मोर यू सी दैट कि दे आर योर फ्रेंड्स, आई थिंक आप उतनी ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से उनको समझ सकते हैं और उनको ना गाइडेंस दे सकते हैं। द इन्फॉर्मेशन विच यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम ओमकार एंड द टीम ऑफ Inficon is something fantastically great, because we need these things, we really need, and we are upgrading ourselves from day by day also. It's not important like that we have finished our certification, so we don't just now we have ended. No, we are upgrading ourselves through the sessions which Inficons are providing for the certified counselors. We are updating ourselves for 2021 century. What are the things we need to upgrade ourselves? So it is always the upgrade and upscaling ourselves. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू टेल टू द पेरेंट्स, लाइक कि अभी क्या हो रहा है कि अगर मैं देखूँ तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ना फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होते हैं, और अगर आप एजुकेशन सिस्टम को देखिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो गया है। तो उनके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी ये होता है कि अपने बच्चे को रेगुलर है ना स्ट्रीम्स में ना डाल के उन्हें वो सारे भी करियर ऑप्शंस के साथ रूबरू करवाएं, जिनसे है ना उनके बच्चे को एक बहुत अच्छा करियर और फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट होने का मतलब समझ में आए। क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, घर में अगर उनके कोई ऑलरेडी वेल सेटल्ड है और करियर में काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहा है, तो जनरली पेरेंट्स हो या फिर स्टूडेंट है, वो क्या होते हैं, हेजिटेंट हो जाते हैं कि हमें भी ये चीज़ें आगे करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज वो हमारा भाई और बहन बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है या फलाना बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। तो एक ये मेंटल स्ट्रेस भी हमेशा हम बचपन से हमारे बच्चों को देना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, जो कि हमें नहीं देना चाहिए, और कहीं हद तक बच्चे भी इस चीज़ को अपने ऊपर ले लेते हैं। मैं पेरेंट्स को गलत नहीं कहूँगी, क्योंकि हर पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे के लिए अच्छा ही सोचता है। ये दो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, और इन्हीं को सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से डील अगर कोई कर सकता है तो वो एक करियर काउंसलर हो सकता है, क्योंकि उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर्स की चीज़ें होती हैं जो वो आपके सामने रख सकता है, आपको एक अच्छा एडवाइस कर सकता है। वो करेक्ट पाथ दे देगा जो कि कैलकुलेटिव पाथ होता है, और वो कैलकुलेटिव पाथ में चलने से आप एटलीस्ट अपने आप को है ना ये नहीं सोचेंगे कि आप है ना पीछे जा रहे हैं या आपने कुछ गलत कर लिया है। There are a lot of parameters to guide this thing. It is not a one-time process. आपको सबसे पहले एक gelling process, एक connection बिठाना पड़ता है अपने client के साथ, अपने student के साथ. You need to understand that कि आपका जो student है उसका mental हेल्थ कैसा है, उसका एक्सप्लोरेशन कैसा है, हाउ, ये सारी चीज़ें होती है जस्ट लाइक अ जेलिंग प्रोसेस. द फर्स्ट इज ऑल अबाउट द जेलिंग प्रोसेस. सेकंड इज ऑल अबाउट कि जब आप उसका साइकोमेट्रिक एनालिसिस लेते हैं, यू गेट टू नो दैट कि किस लर्निंग स्टाइल्स पे, किस कौन कौन से ऐसे पैरामीटर्स है जहाँ पे आपका बच्चा बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, और उसके लिए ऐसे कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस जो हम दे सकते हैं. सो वंस करियर ऑप्शंस कम्स, यू विल प्रिपेयर अ काइंड ऑफ रोड मैप. जो रोड मैप होता है वो आपका करियर ऑप्शन के लिए होता है कि आफ्टर 10th व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, एंड आफ्टर 12th व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. देन इफ यू आर इन योर ग्रेजुएशन एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, व्हाट यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू इट. देन योर journey has been started actually from the 10th only, or from the 8th only, but the main journey has been started like, yes, now this is the time as I have taken this thing, and now I am into this thing. Now my time for exploration, now my time is for doing myself, like what I am. I would say that exploring your passion, which is very very important. तो ये एक journey होती है, ये system होता है जो एक हर career counselor उसको follow करता है. So I'm very much available in social media platform like www.bhashabygarimainfocom.careers. This is my website. You can check out this website. You can also see the Instagram. In the description, I will mention my phone number. So with that number, you can easily contact me in the WhatsApp. And apart from WhatsApp, you can see the LinkedIn also. So all these are things I am very much available. Why they have to join Infigon is all about me. You can see that my website is already on, it is onboarded. It is very clear, very clean. Check out all the options there. Secondly, you will get the marketing support. Third, you will get the technical support from your main counselor and the team of Infigons. This is very, very important. Lastly, you can see some tips. You can get some tips and thoughts which you can share to your clients, or you can attract the audience, how you can attract the audience, and how you can upskill and upgrade yourself for daily, for webinars, for short webinars, for workshop from Infigon. So these are the things are very helpful.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us.